So, good day everyone. Today I will be talking about some programs about keys, specifically mechanical shaft keys. So, let's start. Number one, rectangular key strength equivalence. A rectangular strength key has a width of 14 millimeter and a thickness of 10 millimeter. It is used on a 50 millimeter diameter shaft if the permissible crushing stress for the key material is exactly twice the permissible shear stress. Calculate the minimum length required to transmit a torque of 800 Newton meter and verify if the key is equally strong in shearing and crushing. So for the given outer width, which is equivalent to 14 millimeter, thickness is 10 millimeter, diameter is equivalent to 50 millimeter. Uh, for the shear stress, the equivalent of 800 Newton meter multiplied by 1,000, okay, 1,000, makakuha taon 800,000 Newton millimeter. Then crushing stress, which is 2T. So for the solution, to get the torque, itong formula gamiton shear stress multiplied by width multiplied by length and multiplied by diameter over 2. Since na naman tayo torque, substitute 800,000 is equivalent to shear stress times 14 millimeter times length times 50 over 2. So, una isolve lang siya natin siya. 14 times 50 over 2 is equal to 350 uh, shear stress and length. Divide it by 350. Divide both sides by 350. So, makancel na siya. Cancel. 800,000 divided by 350 is equivalent to 2,285.71. Transfer shear stress dari natay length nga 2,285.71 over shear stress millimeter. Then for the letter B, torque is equal to crushing stress times thickness over 2 times length times diameter over 2. Atay substitute. So 800,000 times 2 shear stress times 10 over 2 times length times 50 over 2. So solve 2 times 10 over 2 times 50 over 2 na atay 250 shear stress length. Divide both sides by 250. So cancel na siya. 800,000 divided by 250 is equivalent to 3,200. Transfer the shear stress. Na tayo mapabilin kay ang length is equal to 3,200 over shear stress millimeter. So in conclusion, shear capacity factor dire sa letter A 350 is equal to 350, then crushing capacity factor sa letter B is equal to 250. Therefore, not equally strong since shear stress allows more torque. So, answer na ito na siya. Next, number 2, Woodruff key. Woodruff key torque capacity. The Woodruff key is specified for a 35 millimeter diameter shaft. Based on a standard proportions where the keyway depth weakens the shaft, calculate the maximum torque the key can transmit if the permissible shear stress is 46 megapascals and the key width is 10 millimeter and its length in the hub is 30 millimeter. So for the given, diameter, which is 35 millimeter, convert it into meters, which is equivalent to 0.035 meters. Width is equivalent to 10 millimeter, convert it into meter, which is equivalent to 0.01 meters. Length, that is equivalent to 30 millimeters, convert it into meters, which is equivalent to 0.03 meters. Torque, which is 46 MPa, convert it into pascals, which is equivalent to 46 times 10 to the 6th pascal. And for the solution, we will use the formula torque is equal to shear stress times width times length times diameter over 2. Substitute. So 46 times 10 to the 6th times 0.01 times 0.03 times 0.035 over 2, we will get an answer of torque which is equivalent to 241.5 Newton meter. And that's all. Thank you for listening.